Hey, what's up guys, TechTine here and I am back again with a brand new video. So before I begin this video, you know how we do it here. As always, I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoy my content, make sure you leave a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you want a link to purchase this phone, I'll leave it in the description below, as well as my IG. That's where I do all my giveaway announcements, and if you want to keep up with me, just follow me there. With that being said, another unboxing. So Motorola has been killing it in the budget world, so this phone is no exception. And today we're going to be unboxing the Moto G Play. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's open the box and we will get graded with the phone. So we're just going to go ahead and take it out of the box, put it to the side real quick and see what else we get. And yeah, basic things. So you get your USB, standard USB to USB Type-C cable. And you also get your Motorola wall adapter. So there's no indication that it supports fast charging, but we'll look into that later. Okay, so here's the phone itself. I'm gonna set it up, spend a couple of hours with it, and give you guys my impressions. So I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been a couple of hours, and I'm ready to give you guys my impressions of this phone. So let's start and talk about the design itself, and we're gonna get started with the display. So this right here is a 6.5-inch HD plus display, so it's not 1080p, it's only 720p, and the display is fine. It's not the greatest IPS quality panel, but it's definitely a fine display. And on the top, you do have your front-facing camera. So yeah, I mean, it's a fine display for your everyday tasks. And the back of the phone has this really nice hue to it. So it transitions from a darker to lighter tone of blue. And the color looks really nice, looks vibrant. And it makes the phone look aesthetically good. So on the bottom of the phone, you have your speaker, your USB Type-C, as well as your microphone. So a lot of manufacturers, when it comes to really small, really budget phones, they will get rid of the USB-C and put micro USB for some reason, but thank God Motorola just decided to go with the standard USB-C. Okay, so on the right hand side of the phone you have your power button and your volume up and down, and as you guys see, the power button has has textures to it, so you can differentiate between it and the volume up and down. Okay, so also on the top of the phone you have your 3.5mm headphone jack. I mean, it's really nice to see budget phones have that addition. And you also have another microphone at the top. And as far as the cameras go, you have a dual camera setup with an LED flash. Okay, so the camera sensor, you have a 13 megapixel main sensor, and you also have a 5 megapixel depth sensor. So it's not a wide angle, it's not like a telephoto lens, it's just a standard depth sensor. And on the top of the camera module, you do have your LED flash, and right below the camera module, you have your Motorola logo as well as your fingerprint. Really nice. So one weird thing about this phone, which I'm not sure, maybe I'm not able to figure it out, is because you know how Motorola has your shake the phone back and forth and it will launch the camera. It's one of my favorite Motorola features. So for some reason, I've tried that many times and it hasn't been working. Like I said, I've only spent a few hours with this phone. But you still have the chop to turn on and turn off the flash. So there's that for you. For some reason, it's not working. Whatever. So you launch the camera app, and so it's a standard Motorola camera app. It's quick at taking pictures. However, the photos themselves, upon just small analyzation, they're okay. So at this point, I just need to take more pictures and analyze it in more depth. Okay, so as far as specifications go, this phone has the following specs. So you have a 1.8 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon 460 octa-core chip, so it's a really low-end processor and it's not really clocked that high. And it's accompanied by 3 gigabytes of RAM, so it's decent specs for the price of this phone. And yeah, I mean, look, at the end of the day, this phone is going to do what it's supposed to do as far as your basic tasks, like opening up your phone app. It's slower than your average budget phone, But again, it's just there to get the job done, and it's decent enough. Like I said, I'm just gonna do more further analyzation and give you guys the bottom line when it comes to this phone itself. So this phone has a big feature as well, the battery. The battery on this phone is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, which is huge. And I wouldn't be surprised if it lives up to the claim that it will last 3 days. So that's gonna take further testing, and obviously I gotta spend some more time with this phone. My first impressions of the phone is definitely positive. I mean, it has a sleek design. The battery is its biggest feature to me, and the price. So let me do further analyzation and further testing and give you guys my final verdict and final review on this phone. If you want to see that video, make sure you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, keep up with me on IG, and that's where you'll get your latest updates. And yeah, with that being said, more cool videos on the way. Make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.